Hello everyone. This is the video of Business Studies, Class 12th, Part A, namely Principles and Functions of Management. Unit 1, namely Nature and Significance of Management. And in today's video, we'll discuss the first chapter, namely the management, its concept, objectives, and importance. However, before starting my topic, let's first have the look what are the chapters or the syllabus under the Unit 1, namely the nature and the significance of management. The first chapter is the management, its concept, objectives, and importance. Second chapter is management as a science, art, and profession. The third chapter is the levels of management. The fourth chapter is the management functions, that is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. And the fifth chapter is the coordination, concept, and importance. So, in today's video, as discussed above, I'll discuss management, that is the concept, its objectives, and importance. So, let's get started. First, I repeat the heading, what is that management, its concept, objectives, and importance. So here we have the main topic management, and hence we'll discuss about the management. What are the things that we will discuss about the management? Can you guess? Come on, it's already written there. The concept of management, the objectives of management, and the importance of management. Likewise, we'll discuss the three aspects of management. So let's begin with the concept of management. Management is an art of getting things done in a systematic or an organized form. See, we are studying the subject business studies, so definitely we'll learn how to manage the business. Sometimes the question comes up in your mind how these renowned businessmen of our country so successful and at the top of the position. See, their key to success is the management of the business. So in this chapter, we'll understand everything about the management. However, before moving forward, let's check out the definitions given in your NCERT book. The first definition, which is given by Harold Knutz and Hens Wirich, he says, management is the process of designing and maintaining an environment in which individuals working together in groups efficiently accomplish selected aims. The second definition, which is given by Robert L. Trively and M. Ginny Newport, they say management is defined as the process of planning, organizing, executing, and controlling an organization's operations in order to achieve coordination of the human and material resources essential in the effective and efficient attainment of objectives. And the third definition is given by Krienter. He says, management is the process of working with and through others to effectively achieve organizational objectives by effectively using limited resources in the changing environment. After going through all these three definitions, I can confirm 2 points. That the meaning of the management is different for different people. Confused? Don't worry, let's understand it with an example. For a housewife, the meaning of a management is to manage her home, including her ration in the kitchen, sending her kids to school on time, sending her husband to office, preparing lunch, cleaning house, etc. On the other hand, if you ask the meaning of a working professional, his reply would be something like managing the expenditure of home, managing the office work, and all other employees related to him, etc. If you ask a business person, his reply would be arrangement of products, delivering the products to his clients on time, taking care of the products properly so that they do not get damaged, collecting the money, keeping record of all the expenses and earnings, keeping record of all the clients, monitoring all his employees, paying salary to his employees on time, and many more. What did you see here? How the meaning of management is changing person to person. Even as a student, you also manage. Definitely you will ask me what? You manage your study in the form of allocating different timetable to your different subject along with your school, going coaching, doing some homework, sometimes helping your father or your mother in his or her work. So see how many things you manage. That is management. So what does it mean that if any work you're doing properly, timely and efficiently, that is management? Is not it? I believe now you have the basic concept of management, and if you understand it in this way, you will never forget such concept. Now coming back to our topic, that is the 3 definitions that we discussed above. After that, what I said, that is out of these 3 definitions, we can find 2 points. The first one already we have discussed, that is the meaning of management is different for different people, right? The second point that is common in all 3 definitions is management is a process, means it is a verb, which means you take a work and do it. Of course you did that efficiently, but that is not management, rather it is a process, which means it involves never-ending series of works. Again, take the example of housewife, or a father, or a business person, or even yours. Does anyone's work end? Nahi na. Well, of course, taking a project and finishing that in a given period of time efficiently is also management. But where what we intended to discuss is an everlasting process, especially in your business study. So now tell me, anyone has any confusion regarding the concept of management? Now if you will study this chapter in your book, you'll find it a simple storybook. Hai ki nahi? However, to proceed with the chapter, you need to understand the meaning of the term management in reference to business studies specifically. So we will see the concept of management in 2 ways, that is the traditional and the modern concept. So first I'll make you understand the traditional concept of management. Traditional concept of management is the art of getting things done through others. Now we'll understand the modern concept of management. Modern concept of management is defined as the process, it refers to basic steps to get the things done with the aim of achieving goals effectively and efficiently. That is, see, effectiveness, it refers to the achievement of task on time, and efficiently implies optimum use of resources. So in simple words, management means guiding the efforts towards achieving the common objective, that is the goal. Therefore, Mary and Douglas define management as: management is the process by which a cooperative group directs action of others towards common goals. Likewise, management is defined as the process of planning, organizing, and controlling an organization's operations in order to achieve the target efficiently and effectively. It is essential for all the organizations. As above, we gone through the concept of management, which talks about the process of getting things done effectively and efficiently with the aim of achieving the common goal. So we'll break this definition and understand what the process is. It refers to the primary functions like planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling performed by the management to get the things done. So now we'll move towards the next point, that is effectiveness and efficiency. Effectiveness means completion of work on time. In simple words, doing the right things. The main objective is to achieve the end results on time. Their main focus is time. The second point we need to understand is efficiency. Efficiency refers to the completion of work correctly with minimum and maximum profit. It simply means doing things correctly in a faster and a cost-efficient manner. The main objective is to perform the task with the least wastage of time and effort. Its main focus is on cost. So today I wind up by discussing here only. In the next video or part 2 of this video, I'll discuss 2 remaining concepts of this chapter, the namely objectives of management and the importance of management, along with the characteristics of management. In the meantime, you read the concept of management in your NCERT book. where 2 examples are given in a detail, and if any doubt or question comes in your mind, don't hesitate to ask through the comment box given below. Bye bye.